She dash going to the doctor tomorrow. A is B, was C, were. They dash not like spicy food. A does B do C did. He dashed his bag at home yesterday. A forget, B forgot, C forgotten. The train dash already left when we arrived. A has B, had C, have. We dash to London next week. A travel, B traveled, C will travel. She dashed singing when I entered the room. A was B, were C is. I dash never been to Paris. A have B, has C, had. The children dash happy to see their teacher. A is B, R C was. Neither John nor Bruce dash absent today. A was B, were C, are. The dog dash barking loudly. A is B, R C were. He dash swimming every morning. A go B goes, C going. We dash a new car last month. A by B buys, C bought. She dash her homework already. A finish, B finishes, C has finished. The stars dash shining brightly at night. A is B, R C was. I dash him yesterday at the market. A, C, B, saw, C, seen. He dash not like to play cricket. A, do B, did C, does. We dash to the park every Sunday. A, go B, goes, C, went. The book dash very interesting. A is B, are C, were. The teacher dashed the students a new lesson. A, teach B, taught C, teaching. She dashed her phone yesterday. A, lose, B, lost, C, losing. They dash watching TV when I called. A was B, were C, are. The sun dash in the east. A, rise, B, rises, C, risen. I dash to school by bus. A, go, B, goes, C, going. He dashed very well last night. A sings B, sang C, singing. The baby dash crying all morning. A has been B, have been C, had been. We dashed cricket yesterday. A, play B, played C, playing. She dashed the guitar beautifully. A, play B, plays C, playing. I dash already completed my work. A, have B, has C, had. He dash not go to the party last night. A do B, did C does. The car dash parked outside. A is B, R, C, were. The girls dash singing a song. A is B, R, C, was. We dash our exams next week. A have B, has C, had. She dash a doctor when she grows up. A want to be, B wants to be, C wanted to be. I dashed waiting for you since morning. A, am B, have been, C, had been. The flowers dash very beautiful. A is B, R C was. He dash his lessons every day. A, study B, studies, C, studied. We dash friends for 10 years. A are B, have been C, were. The movie dash at 9 p.m. A. Start B, starts, C, started. She dash her homework at the moment. A is doing B, are doing C, was doing. I dash a book when he arrived. A, read B, was reading C, reading. He dash football very well. A play B plays C playing. We dash in Lahore last year. A, live B, lived C, living. She dash always late for class. A is B, R C was. The birds dash flying high in the sky. A is B, R C was. I dashed my keys yesterday. A, lose B, lost, C, losing. He dashed Loretti eaten dinner. A, has B, have C, had. They dashed not here yesterday. A was B, were C, are. We dash go shopping tomorrow. A, will be, would see, shall. She dash a beautiful dress. A, where B wears C wearing. The match dash very exciting. A is B are C were.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments. Subscribe Talk Learner for more videos, and also drop your target scores in the comments. Thank you. Have a wonderful day and a peaceful night too. Bye-bye.